Hey there, curious about fair wages and gender equality at work? This week, let's explore the important topic of pay equity compliance and why it matters to you and your workplace's future. Pay equity compliance is more than a buzzword. It's a critical factor in creating a just, motivated, and productive work environment. By understanding and integrating pay equity measures, companies not only adhere to legal standards, but also foster a culture of fairness and inclusion. Understanding pay equity compliance. What is pay equity compliance? Pay equity compliance involves ensuring that employees are compensated equally for performing comparable work regardless of gender, race, or other personal characteristics. It is adherence to regulations like the Equal Pay Act, which aims to eliminate unfair compensation discrepancies within organizations. Compliance requires regular audits and adjustments to rectify any existing pay gaps. Why does pay equity compliance matter? Ensuring compliance with pay equity laws is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it protects organizations from legal repercussions and the associated financial penalties of noncompliance. Secondly, it demonstrates a company's commitment to fairness, which can enhance its reputation and attract top talent. Lastly, pay equity fuels a culture of fairness and inclusion, boosting employee morale and productivity across the board. Steps to achieving pay equity compliance. Step 1. Conduct a pay equity audit. The first step in achieving pay equity compliance is performing a comprehensive pay equity audit. This involves analyzing current pay structures, comparing salaries for equivalent roles, and identifying any wage gaps. Utilizing tools like statistical analysis and benchmarking against industry standards will help highlight discrepancies that need to be addressed. Step 2. Implement salary adjustment. Once you've identified disparities, the next step is making necessary salary adjustments. Focus on aligning compensation practices with merit, experience, and the value contributed by the employee. Additionally, ensure transparency in communicating these adjustments to foster trust and confidence among your workforce. Step 3. Establish a formal pay equity policy. Creating a formal pay equity policy is essential in maintaining compliance and ensuring ongoing fairness. This policy should outline compensation structures, hiring practices, and promotion criteria aimed at sustaining equitable wages. Regularly review and update this policy to adapt to evolving legal standards and organizational changes. Step 4. Train and educate leadership. Educating and training HR professionals and leadership on the importance of pay equity compliance is vital. Provide workshops and resources to help them understand its impact and how to enforce equitable practices effectively. Informed leaders are more equipped to champion these initiatives and support a culture of fairness across the company. So there you have it. Pay equity compliance is not only a legal requirement, but a powerful tool to foster an ethical and thriving workplace. By auditing pay structures, implementing necessary adjustments, establishing clear policies, and educating leadership, companies can create an equitable environment that benefits everyone. Remember, achieving pay equity is a commitment to fairness and inclusion, paving the way for a more just and productive future in the workplace. Make it a continuous journey, and you'll not only comply with the law, but also build a stronger, more inclusive company culture.